loops, it is also one question. What is loop? Okay. So what is loop? Loop is generally check the condition, and if condition satisfied, do the job and do it again till the condition not satisfied, or reverse. Do the job again, again, again till the condition satisfied. There's the two ways you can able to run. Okay. So this is called a loop. Of course, this is not loop. This is if. Okay. This is if, but in generally in a loop, first it will check the condition. It check the condition. If condition satisfied, do the work and do loop back again. It go back, check the condition. Still condition satisfied, do this job and go back and check the condition. It keep doing till the condition become false. Once it is false, it exits. Once it is false, it exits. This is called a loop. This is called a loop. Guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
So in a loops, generally we use for loop and while loop also. Pen and paper is easy. So this is the condition. This is a two ways are there. So I'm taking in this way like a true way. If it is true, execute the code and check the condition again. Check the condition again. True, do it again. Do as long as the condition is true. Once it is turned as a false, then exit. Okay. In middle, we can put a different kind of conditions also in between. Condition true, code kind of stuff. Let's see. So this is the whole concept of loop concept. Okay. We'll see in a different ways also. For is a iterator, while is a actually a loop part. The flow of program written in any programming language is a sequential by default. Sometimes it may need to alter the flow of program. Execution of specific code may need to be repeated several number of times. Use loops in that one. For this purpose, the programming language provide various type of loops which are capable of repeating some specific code several number of times. Consider following diagram. So here it is. They are written a little reverse side, but whatever it is, check the condition. If condition is true, go to the loop body and check the condition again. Check the loop body, check the condition again. Do it again and again till the condition become false. Then exit. Why we use loops in Python? Advantages and other loops. Okay. So because of last batch, they asked one small question that is called what is loops. Okay. So then I'm giving some notes from here. execution of a code several times or a repeated times till the condition satisfied or a not satisfied. So that is called a simply said loops. Looping simplifies complex program into simple one. It enables us to alter flow of programs so that instead of writing a same code again and again, we can repeat the same code for a finite number of times. For example, if you need to print first 10 natural numbers, instead of writing a print statement 10 times, we can print inside a loop within 10 iterations. So that's a advantage of loop. Guys, how to do this thing? So compulsory, what it is, point by point, split these things. Okay, don't put everything in a one simple thing. So obviously we will get a confusion at that point. Okay, there is an example also there here. For example is also there. So this is the why we are using loop. So instead of writing a statement 10 times, I can put it in a loop, so then we can able to execute. This is about a loops. You can get it. For loop, while loop, do while loop. It provide reusability. Provide reusabilities. Using loop, we do not need to write a same code again and again. We can transfer our elements of data structures, array or a linked list kind of stuff. So these are the Python loop statements and descriptions. Okay, so this is about a small introduction about loops. So statements are enough. Okay, statements are enough. So you can go through for loop. This is for loop. Okay, for loop in a Python used to iterator. It's a kind of iterator. Iteration means one by one. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. That is like a iterator. Are a part of the program several times. It is frequently used to transfer data structure like a list, tuple, or dictionary. Okay, for iterators, for iteration variable in the sequence statement. So we are using most of the times in the for in or not in kind of stuff. Membership operators we use it here. Look at here, for loop flowchart. From the sequence, item from the sequence, next item, loop body. If no item left in the sequence, came out. Okay. Okay. Just a copy pasted. Very simple. This is for a for loop. This is for a for loop. This is overall loop. This is for a for loop kind of stuff. What is a for loop? For is used for iterator. Like you have a list. 10 items are there. First item, second item, third item. It will take one by one. You want to do something with it. You want to display of it. Like that, we can able to do it. Okay. Yeah. Last part. In a previous class, we discussed something, right? What it is? else if kind of stuff. Guys, it is look like a program kind of stuff. Instead of two statement, three statements are look bigger, right? So you can see two statements. This is three statements. You can take one of this or this one as an example. Guys, as a whole, total 10 members are in a regular. So each one try, so little unique means at least 4 programs or 3 programs, at least unique from one each one. So you guys are discuss each other, collect the multiple programs, which one you feel very easy for you, which one is you can better explanation, then split along with you. Okay, so for a if else 2 3 examination, 2 3 example for while. Okay, so 2 3 examples, take it and split along with you. So then make sure you know at least 6 to 7 programs. Okay, on yourself you can able to tell. Okay, so this is the one of the easiest way to tell a program, like it is like you are writing a program. That's what I'm trying to say. So finally we are going to the for loop. So what is the for loop? It is iterator. Okay, so here it is in the sequence. You can take an example from there, or I can give you an example also. So this is example of iterator. So this is the variable. This is a string. This is iterating variable. This is the statement. Same thing I'm going to implement. So I'm leaving. I'll remove all these things. Look at here. For I in Avantis, and there is a semicolon. If also having semicolon. Remember, semicolon is there. Print I. That's it. So he create a variable separately, but I given a statement directly. Save it and run it. So it is iterator. First is 7 yes, I value become s, a value I value become a, v, a, n, t, I, s. It is iterates like that. First value is I, right? So this is the I. So it will load like this. I is equal to yes and print I. Now I is equal to a, print I. I is equal to v, print I. I is equal to a, print I. I is equal to n, print. I is equal to t, print. I is equal to I, print. I is equal to s, print. So this is called a iteration. This is called a iteration. So this same iteration we can do in a several ways. For example, I am creating a list here. This is a list for x in a. What is x? Iteration variable. So no need to create x earlier. Now it will be variable. Okay. So print iteration of a comma x value. Okay. So what I am trying to say is a save. Yeah, mistake is colons mistake, semicolon, colon kind of stuff. See, first number is 12, next number is 34, 55, 66, 11, 82, 96, 7. So this is called another program, another iteration with a list. Is understanding how it is working? The x value is 12 first, then x value is 34, then x value is 55, then x value is 66, then x value is 11, then x value is 82, then x value is 96, then x value is 12. Okay, it will take one by one, first one, second one, third one, all that stuff. Got it? Got the point or not?
Yes, sir.
Next, in the for loop, there is a for else is also there. Okay, in a for loop, for else is there. For and if combination is also there. Okay, so I will tell instead of for else. So before going to for else kind of stuff, anything is there? Yeah, so you can put some other conditions also. You can. Yeah, not this one. This is a list plus one sum. This is summary, adding all the items in the list. So we will try this one. This will look like easy. Okay, sum of elements in the list. So I put a sum is equal to 0. Okay, because if it can be there. Okay, next x in the A. So then I'll put a sum equal to sum plus x. So what happens? Sum is equal to 0. 0 plus x means 12. So sum is 12. Then 12 plus 34 and plus 55. Then 66. Then 11. Then 82. Then 96. Next 11. So the total we are counting here. Okay. Then I put a print statement, print total of values in A is okay. So like this, save, run. So it is printing each one. Each one it is printing. Each one it is printing. First one is 12. 12 plus 34. 46. 46 plus 55. Okay. 46 plus 55. 101. 101 plus 66. Okay. 167 plus 11. Okay. So it is 178. 178 plus 82. 260. 260 plus 96. 356 plus 17. 375. 373. Okay, it is displaying all the things in because it is iteration, right? So then it is keep doing that one. So what I'm doing is I made this one out of the loop. This is out of the loop. Okay, this is inside a loop. The statement is inside a loop. This is outside of the loop. Okay, not only gap, guys, the space. This is inside. This is inside for. It's not inside a for. We'll see. See, one shot only. Okay, one shot only we are getting value. So that's the difference between statement in and out. See, this is also another program. It's also another program. Same thing you can do in a different ways. You can take as a ranges also. Range. Okay. X in range 5. 5 means 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Same thing. You can do like this. Sum is equal to 0. You can take sum is equal to 0. So 0 plus x means 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, like that. 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. That's it. Okay, we can see this also. It is a range 1 to 4 adding. 1 to 4 adding. So it will happen like this. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. How much it is? 9. Yeah, this is also become the first one is become anyway 1. That's it. 9, 10, 10. 1 is there, no? Yeah. 10 only. Correct, correct. 10. I've seen only this. I didn't see this one. So 10. See how many programs I'm writing. Still people are getting a doubts like sir, they are asking 5. Yeah, they are not asking a 5 pages program. They are asking 5 programs. Even a small also, no problem. Important is understanding. Don't get confused. Make sure our output should become. Guys, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here in this one, I'm taking this simple example. Okay. So what I'm trying to say it is, if x is equal to 55, I said break. Okay. I said break. So what it is? First iteration x equal to 12 and x equal to 12. So display 12. X equal to 34. Good, display. X equal to 55. Sorry, not 55. It is better. 11. X is equal to 55. Display 55. X is equal to 66. Display 66. X is equal to 11. Take break. Okay. Take break. So we'll see how break will work. You see, it's broken here. If you don't put a break, what happens? So we got an output, right? So what happens? All. But when I put a break, so when it is condition reaches, it is a middle condition. In a loop, middle condition. It's checking the sequence, right? When it is checking, again it verify, and somewhere the condition is okay, then it break and continue with the execute. Okay, so this is break. There is 3 things here: break, continue, pause. So at the time of break also you can tell like this: print x is 11. So break. So break. Okay. If in case you write this statement in a bottom, then even you can't see the 11 also. Just to show you the if you put a things in different place, see it is 11 also not showing here. 11 is also not showing here. Actually, how to put a output also here. How to put output also here. Okay. But it is become very bigger. So execute and remember what output we got it. So this is the output you are getting. Okay. So this is break. Then what is continue? So break will stop if condition met. Break will stop the iteration. Break stops. So what is this break? ERE. Okay. Stops iteration. Condition. Next one is continue. So what is this continue? Save it. Run module. So what happened here? It's not stopping. What it is doing? It skipped the step. So X value is 12, then 34, 55, 66, 82, 96, 17. So what time is 11? I said if X is equal to 11, continue means skip that X11 kind of stuff. Skip the part. If in case I make this one as a comment, guys, hashtag represent comment. But why it is red color comment? Anyway, one comment only, so no problem. Save it and run it. So I didn't. Okay, this is a statement because of this hash. This is become comment. Means comments won't execute. So where is 11? Where is 11? So at continue, if condition satisfied, okay, it if any code is there, so it will execute the code. Okay, or it break the loop and go outside and come back. Continue the code. Okay, so this is continue. For loop, continue. What is continue? Okay. Condition is okay. This is condition is true. Keep it and continue. Okay. Next one is pass. Pass is a what is this pass? Pass having so many other things. For example, pass is like a continue only. You don't break the loop. But only thing is, you do some work. If condition matches, you do some work and continue. It means you don't harm your loops. And pass is a very important for a programmers. I will tell what it is also. Okay, first try to understand this. Okay, pass. Pass is not. Okay, so it is 11 is there. So it is not like it is not skipping. It just do some job and continue, not stopping till the iteration completed. So that is called a pass. This pass. Continuous. It's continuous. Not breaks or skips anything. Pass is just for passing purpose. I'll tell other things in the pass statement. Look at here, guys. Whatever it is. For example, this is I want to write. Okay, I want to implement a program. I written a for. Okay, what happening for x in a colon, then I execute. What it is showing? It is throwing an error. It is throwing an error. I put a pass. Save it. Try. Nothing. It is throwing error here. Not here. Not here. Okay. What is the meaning of this pass? You are not guessing what to do next. You don't know what to do next. Okay, so you know the splitting of program. So like you are having a writing a big code. So you are not made up of what statement you have to write it. So what to do to avoid the error? So just give the pass. Okay, this is called a pass statement. Guys, understand? For loop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, already I given few commands and also go to this small kind of stuff. Okay, range also. You could try this one also. You could and separate SCP tables. So many are there. That one also. So I'm taking from the tutorial points. This is also good. Check it whether it is working or not. I'm not checking. It's a nested loop. So what happening to me? You're silent. I am silent. Nested for loop. Okay. This is a nested for loop. You can write a for loop inside a for loop also. And also for loop, if loop, we can able to write. Okay. For else also you can able to write. Okay. I'm just copy pasting the programs. What is the use of that one? Okay, guys, are you understand up to here? For loop and
Yes,
for
sir.
break, for continue, for
Yes.
pause.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So next one is for if else, for else, for like that also iterations. You can able to do it. Like you want to create last time we created now, so that is like a find out what is this prime numbers. Okay, find out prime numbers. Is a given number is odd number or even number, like that. For example, you taken a number, okay, starting number, ending number, okay, like this range. I'm taking a range between 5 to 10, the 5 to 10 only. Okay, so x in range, starting range is 5. I need a 1 0 means one number extra you have to take it. 5 to 10 means 5 to 11. 11 means it do up to 10 only. Okay, it is checking if x divided by 2 is equal to 0. Meaning is if anything is divided by 2, anything is divided by 2 is a even number. Print is even number. Else x is odd number. See, 5 is odd number, everything is odd number. Why? Correct only. If x by 2 is equal to 0. Then I will put a reverse side. If not equal to, It is even number. What happened? There is any placement column? Usually it working method only. Removing this, first of all, I want to print 5 to 10. Okay, it is a 5 to 10. Next, I'm writing first if x is no x by 2, right? So it is x divided by 2. No. Yeah, very good, very good. Guys, there is a difference is there. See, look at here. 5 divided by 2. Yeah, anything will be divided. Okay, it's not equal to 0. Anyway, the division is different. 5 percentage 2 is 1. 6 percentage 2 is 0. The percentage, we have to use percentage. Okay, that's the problem, not that one. So I put a if x percentage 2 equal to 0, it means the remainder is 0, then it is a even number. Else print number. Look at here. Now it is coming. Similarly, also you can create with what is that? So prime numbers kind of stuff also you can able to do it. Okay, prime numbers, how to divide from the prime number kind of stuff. For loop, if conditions. Okay, example, you taken a number, you have taken a number, so n equal to integer input enter n value. Okay, so you have taken a n value, so you have to take n plus n only. This is n. You have to take it from 2 to n. So first of all, we have to check, how to find a prime number. So I have taken a number, checking this number is prime or not. What is the condition for prime or not? You have taken a number, it should not be a 0. It should not be 0 first of all. Next, it should not be 1. It should not 0. It should not 1. Okay. It should not be 0 or should not be 1. Next, divide a number. Divide with any number, should not be divide that number. For example, you taken a 5. We can't divide. Okay, we can't divide. Exact division want to work here. Somewhat a reminder will be there. Okay, so prime numbers cannot be divided by any number. So that is we have to do it. X value is 2. Here it is little changes. I want to divide from 2 to that particular number. For example, I have taken a 7. So first I want to divide 7 by 2, 7 by 3, 7 by 4, 7 by 5, 7 by 6, 7 by 7 is not there. 7 by 7 again don't take. A number which is not divisible by itself, like a 7 by 7, 13 by 13 won't work here. So that is, we don't take it. We don't consider that one. And it should not be like a test with the 1, 7 by 1. No, we don't consider that one. 7 by 0, we don't consider that one. Okay, and it should not be 0 and 1. So that is a what? Prime numbers. Okay, so it first you have to divide by 2. If it is a 0, it is not a prime number. It's not a prime number. Immediately take a break. Okay? Take a break. So no need to test any again. Like I taken a n. N is some value I have taken. For example, I have taken 7, 7 by 2. Oh, sorry, I have taken 8, 8 by 2, 8 by 2. Then okay, 8 by 2 is a 4. Remainder is 0. Condition satisfied. Not a prime number. Break. No need to do next. No need to check anything. No need to check anything. That is called a break. Next one is if in case you are taken a 9, 9, okay, 9 by 2, 9 by 2. It is reminder is there. 1 is reminder. So then go to check the second part. Okay, so reminder is there. Okay, next check with other one. Okay, check with other one. So what is the other one? It is 3, right? So 9 by 3. Yeah, 9 by 3 is a 3 into 3. So remainder is 0, not a prime number. Take 11. So 11 by 2, 11 by 3, 11 by 4, 11 by 5, 11 by 6, 11 by 7, 11 by 8, 11 by 10. All these numbers will get some reminder. Okay, so 11 by 11, so we don't check with 11 by 11, so 11 by 10 is the last one. So all numbers cannot be divided 11, so it is a odd term. Once you find it, so take a break. Okay, we'll try again. So it is not, we should not trust on a direct execution. Yeah, here it is. Guys, this is entering a input values. I will explain that one separately, but check it, like enter a value, entering 11. 2 is odd number. Oh, this is n. This is n. Okay, yeah, n is odd number. So again 7. 7 is odd number. Execute again. I have taken 9. 9 is odd number. So that there is a column again. Okay. So why there is a column? Because once you check this condition, it is checking this condition and it is go next. Go to the next only because I put a else statement here. So obviously first 9 is try to divide it by 2 and it is decided it is divided put is not equal to 0. So then obviously it's a, instead of telling like a it is stuff checking the second one. It is go to the thing. Okay, so So what happening? One second, guys. Where is this guy? He written in a well statement, but this is correct only. This is correct only. I've written this one. I'll try again. Mm, 13. That is working. Second part is working good. Second part is working good. The first part means if I given, yeah, it is showing odd number. It is, you have to type prime number. Prime number is not a prime number. Okay, so not prime numbers, not giving correct answers. So look at 8, not a prime number. Good. Um, 12. Divided by 2 is okay, but it is not iterating. So you have to iterate now. So that is, for example, 15. 15 is not prime number. 15 is not a prime number. It is a wrongly it is showing. Then find out what is the solution for it. I'm taking a lot of time on it. So we have to go with the while loop also there. Okay. Now somewhat it is showing. Okay. Now it is working. For else is working. For else is working. Take this is a for else. Just I'm trying to give more programs. Just I can tell this is for and go. Okay, nested for is there. This is for else. I've written else under for. So it is checking if this condition satisfied, break. No need to do next kind of stuff. If this condition not at all satisfied, then print this one. So this is also for else statement. Okay. So this is also very good. This is also good. Finding odd and even numbers. This is finding prime numbers. Finding a set of value. Entered value is prime number or not. Okay. This is a iteration. So like writing hello Peter, hello Joseph, hello Rocky kind of stuff. Okay. This is the one way. We can try this one. This is for a printed tables. This is for a printed table kind of stuff. You can do it. It is easy to do it. Okay. Nested for loop is also there, so that is also you can try. Not this one, not this one. where it is, that is range. This is nested for loop, guys. Nested for loops, or you can give a for loop under another for loop. You can see it is a nested for loop of rows, entire rows. So range 0 to row plus 1. Say range I means what are the range is there, again it will do. Okay. This is for numbers. Okay, so you can take it and you can try it also. Okay, this part I am not executed. So look at here what I have copy and given, what are the given. Just go through once. Okay, I try to keep it everything once. Okay, so some are I tried and I'm giving, some are I'm directly giving. Okay, so because everything we tried and it will time. Tomorrow is anyway holiday, right? So then guys compulsory try all these things. Next one we'll go to the while loop. Okay, so what is a while loop and all, we'll take it. So take a break of 10-15 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, again we will be back. Again everybody is silent.